Let's draw some cute makeup items together. First, we start our lipstick. Draw a slanted tip for the lipstick. Now add a smaller rectangle and draw a long oval shape at the bottom. Wow, looking stylish already. Now let's draw a mascara. Make a small bottle and draw a long stick coming out. Add tiny lines for the brush. Tickle lashes.
Hickory dickory dock.
Next, we draw a mirror. Draw an oval shape
Hickory dickory dock. Tick.
and cute little handle at the bottom. Mirror, mirror, who is the best artist? You.
Hickory dickory dock. The dog barked up.
Now, let's draw a makeup brush at a fluffy top like a cloud. Draw a long handle, soft and pretty.
Hickory dickory.
Now, outline everything with the black marker to look like a bold and beautiful.
Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock.
Now, let's add some magic colors. Color the lipstick with bright red.
Keep us round the clock.
Now, add a gray color in the middle. And the last, use dark blue color at the bottom. Wow, so beautiful.
Hickory dickory.
Now, color the mascara with cool shade like green.
Oh, little snakes. Hickory dickory.
Color the mirror with blue and pink.
Hickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory.
Color the handle with light pink. So cool and beautiful.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round.
And finally, color the brush with brown and orange. Wow! Drawing looks so beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye-bye. Hello little artists. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today we are going to draw and color school supplies. First, we will draw a cute notebook. Draw spiral rings on the side one by one. Now, draw a rectangle shape. Let's make it extra cute. Draw two little hearts in the middle. So adorable. Now let's draw a pencil. Draw a two long lines at the rounded top and a sharp point at the bottom. In last, let's draw a cute scissor. Draw two big loops for the handle. And then draw the plates crossing each other. Wow, awesome! Now outline everything with a black marker. So bright and beautiful. Now it's coloring time. First, we are going to color a cute notebook. Let's use orange color at the top. And yellow at the bottom. Wow! Look at that beautiful gradient. Now color the pencil bright yellow. Add green strips in the middle. Fill the red color in the hearts. And color the tip gray and black. Let's coloring the scissor. First, color the handles pink. And the blade brown. Great job, little artist. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Let's draw a happy birthday cake together. Grab your pencil and let's go. First, draw a two big round eyes. Add the two lines on the side, look like a rectangle. Add a wave line. Now add another big rectangle. This is our cake base. Let's put a candle on the top. Draw a small candle and don't forget the little flame. Now add a cute smiling mouth because our cake is happy today. Now time for magic colors. Yay! Color the top layer blue. Color it nice and slow. Watch our pretty cake just glow. Kids, are you coloring with me? Say yes. Oh yes, blue color is almost done. Now color the mint green on the top layer. Color, don't stop, make it bright on the top. Yay! Green color is done. Let's make the bottom layer pink and yellow. Kids, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yellow, yellow, dirty fellow. Oh, sorry. I'm just kidding. Oh, my cake is getting too yummy. Shouldn't we eat it now? Oh no, it's just a drawing. Whoa, it's glowing. Hello everyone! Today I'm drawing a teacher teaching the alphabet K and the blackboard.
Let's draw and colors together. First, I'm going to draw a teacher. Now draw hairs and shoulders.
Let's draw a book here. She is already holding the book. The teacher is going to teach us the alphabet. It's very easy to learn. I'm drawing the blackboard. Look, she is showing the blackboard. Let's draw teacher eyes, nose, and smile. Let's write the letters A, B, and C on the board. The first letter is A. The second letter is B. And the third letter is C. Now, let's write the numbers on the board. Write 1, 2, and 3. Let's color the teacher hairs. Do you love the teacher? Feel the blue color in the book. Pink color. Color. Fill the red color in letter A. Purple color in letter B. Yellow color in letter C. Now colors in numbers. Dark blue in one number. Orange color. And the last is light green color. Now color the board.